Hi guys, Arvind here to do my third experiment in Compiler Lab, and this exercise is to simulate the functions of a macroprocessor, and this is the sample input which is required, and this is sample input and output. So moving on to the code, we first import all the required packages and the class of this experiment, and in the main function first we have to read the input file, and this is the location of the input file, and the input file of this program is this one. And first we give the location of that file. The try block we read the input file using the file input stream, and using buffered reader we create the object for buffered reader. Next, moving on, we first initialize the required strings for the program and all the required data types and variables for the program. Now we read line by line the input using the BR, which is the object of this buffered reader. And while we read and is not equal to null, we look first we look for we explore the input file. It contains defined functions, and if the define is equal to true, we assign the value as 1, and if the has defined false, we give it 0. If it's 5, we give 3.14. And this is a macro function, whereas these are macro constants, and the main function we give the proper normal content. So moving on, while the input line is not equal to null, and if the line starts with a hash defined and the line contains a bracket, we understand that the given function, the given it is a macro function because it contains a bracket, and we replace that hash defined with a space and trim that off and store it here. And moving on, we store the name of the function in one. That means in this case, this is the name of the function fun, and the attribute we store in the next string, and this is the attribute of it. So moving on, and this is for macro function, and in case of macro constants, so macro constants in our input are this pi, which is 3.14, which is a universal fact and cannot be changed, and for true we give us 1, and for false it is 0. So in that case, we split it on in term of spaces and store the name in one and the value in another table. So next, moving on, if the line contains a bracket and if the line contains a main, we do this. In case of the main function, it should we don't have to do anything with the main function, and so if it contains a bracket and if the line contains a main, we store it here, the name in one place and attribute in another place, and our main function, the main function will have a formal arguments and the actual arguments which you're passing, and in that case we're going to separate it on based of comma, and we store the formal arguments on we separate the split it on term of comma, and so in this case our x and y will be split in terms of comma. Next, and we try to replace our formal arguments with the actual arguments in our program, and so in our output when we give the function x comma y, we define as x is equal to x plus y. So when we pass the actual argument, this x comma y x is equal to x plus y will be replaced with a is equal to a plus b. And moving on, that's the actual part of the code, and it's the output for this. So as include iostream.h, we give the value as a is equal to int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7, and so we get the output as 2, and output will be 2 into pi. So pi will be replaced with 3.14, and x comma y will be replaced with a is equal to a plus b. And so that's it from the code. Thank you.